This speech discusses about the largest land mammals on Earth, elephants, and compares and contrasts the resemblance and difference between two types of elephants: Asian elephants from India and Southeast Asia, and African elephants. The first things are their similarities. The common characteristic they both share that they both have trunks, which are used to put food like grasses, leaves, and water into the mouth for digesting and with chunks they can drink about 50 gallons of water every day. Trunks also play a vital role in helping them picking up tiny objects or moving large, heavy objects. Elephants can use the trunks to even pick up trees. Secondly, they are both severely intelligent. Both elephants can be trained to do hard work for workers and do recreational tricks for entertaining people. On the other side of the hand, there are several differences between them as well. Firstly, African elephants are larger and heavier than elephants that comes from India and Southeast Asia. African elephants have the average height of about 13 feet, while Asian elephants can only reach 10 feet tall. Average African male elephants weigh about 12 to 14,000 pounds, while Asians weigh 7 to 12,000 pounds only. Also, Asian elephants have smaller ears than Africans. In Africans, they also have two very large teeth called tusks. While it is rare to find an Asian elephant that have tusks. Besides, besides that, they also differ in colors of the skins as well. While African elephants have dark gray skin, and Asian ones are light gray or occasionally white. Asian elephants have calmer temperament than Africans. In the other context, African elephants are much wider than Asian ones. It is more difficult to train African elephants to perform tricks for people. Asian elephants are commonly seen in circuses rather than Africans because of this. In conclusion, there are certainly different features between African and Asian elephants, but what they both share in common is the fascinating and enormous characteristics.